Hello everyone, welcome back to Anime Tayo. The first week of February 2026 has blown the doors wide open with a flurry of trailers, surprise delays, and some massive premiere dates. I'm your host, and we've got a packed report ahead. Let's get straight to the headlines. First up, we have updates on some returning favorites. To Your Eternity Season 3 dropped a new visual and its third trailer. A quick heads up for fans. The show will take a break after episode 16 due to the Winter Olympics on NHK, resuming on February 28th. In Tank News, Girls and Panzer, Moto Love Love Sakusen Desu. Act 3 unveiled a teaser visual and trailer for its March 6th release. For moviegoers, Crunchyroll is bringing the Whoever Steals This Book anime film to North America with English subtitles. Looking at new series, Kujima, Why Sing, When You Can Warble revealed a new visual and 3 additional cast members for its April 2026 premiere from Studio Hibari. And the first episode of animator Harumaki Gohan's doppelganger-themed short, Playing Sister, is now on YouTube as part of a 3-episode series. Moving to February 1st, The Peaceful Farming Life in Another World Season 2 was confirmed for an April 2026 return with a key visual, trailer, and new cast from Zero G. Also, the delayed What the Ripple Sees Honkai Star Rail animated music video for Hoyo Fair is finally available to watch. February 2nd was absolutely stacked with news. Sakuna of Rice and Ruins TV special, Kokorowa Rice Cultivation Diary, revealed its first trailer and casts Asami Imai, with Part 1 on February 15th and Part 2 on the 22nd. For Hell's Paradise Season 2, Ayumu Murase joined the cast as the assassin Shija. In industry moves, Media OCD and Discotek Media launched Discotek Deep Dives for selling classic anime titles directly. Mobile Suit Gundam Hathaway, The Sorcery of Nymph Cersei got a new trailer featuring Guns N' Roses' Sweet Child O' Mine as its ending theme, along with a new mech visual. Hiromu Arakawa's Demons of the Shadow Realm unveiled a main trailer and key visual for its April 4th start, a 2-core series from Bones. In a major acquisition, Aniplex bought the anime production company Egg Firm. We also got a charming new title, Hi, I Am a Witch, and My Crush Wants Me to Make a Love Potion, announced for a 2026 adaptation. Magical Sisters Luluto Lily revealed a main trailer and visual for April 2026 from Studio Pierrot. In music, Eve collaborated with animator Kawa on a new short for the song Heart Forecast and an animated mashup music video combining Zutomayo and Persona 3 Reload dropped. Indie anime Luca, a 12-minute short by Nina, also hit YouTube. On February 3rd, My Hero Academia Vigilantes Season 2 unveiled a visual and trailer for the Aizawa School Days arc starting February 9th. Observation Records of My Fiancé debuted a third character trailer and confirmed an April 6th premiere. Sadly, Megalumiere Magical Girls Incorporated announced Yumiri Hanamori won't return for Season 2 due to agency requests. Chungkang Animation School released their 2024 short film MacGuffin on YouTube. For music fans, select tracks from the Jujutsu Kaisen The Culling Game Part 1 OST are now on streaming platforms. New teaser visuals arrived for Kill the Game Mr. Detective for April 2026 and The World's Strongest Rearguard for July 2026. Mobile Suit Gundam Wing celebrated its 30th anniversary with the new visual. Zutomayo also dropped an animated music video for Media Nook. February 4th brought an IMAX visual for Gintama Yoshiwara in Flames, releasing February 13th in 57 IMAX theaters in Japan. The Ogre's Bride added new cast members for its 2026 broadcast. While a new teaser for the live-action Sakamoto Days movie dropped, the anime-adjacent highlight was the main trailer for Bakidu, The Invincible Samurai, premiering on Netflix February 26th. The manga Thunder 3 also got an anime adaptation announced for July 2026. For February 5th, Rent a Girlfriend Season 5 revealed a teaser trailer for April 2026. A spin-off, Welcome to Demon School, Iruma-kun, Irumafia Edition, got a TV anime set for January 2027. The short-form series Ingoku Danchi unveiled a key visual, main cast, and an April 2026 broadcast. Rooster Fighter premieres on Adult Swim's Toonami on March 14th. Note: though I Am an Inept Villainess is delayed to July. We also got a trailer for Haibara's Teenage New Game Plus and news that Cosmic Princess Kaguya gets a 1-week theatrical run in Japan from February 20 to 26. Finally, The Eternal Fool's Words of Wisdom, a positively fantastic adventure, was announced for a TV anime. Wrapping up the week on February 6th, One Piece Heroines, a 1-episode special, begins July 5th. Chain Soldier Season 2 revealed a new arc trailer and cast Ami Koshimizu. Chi Fuyo got an anime adaptation announced from PA Works. Uchi no Ototo Domo ga Sumimasen highlighted a character for its 2026 release. G-Kids acquired North American rights for Shoji Kawamori's Labyrinth film screening in May. In industry news, Cygames Pictures is renaming to Cypic. Lastly, Shibuyugi previewed a new game in a fresh trailer, and that, everyone, was an explosive first week of February. From heartbreaking delays and exciting premieres to industry shakeups, the year is charging full speed ahead. What are you most looking forward to? The return of farming life, the new Gintama movie, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay on top of it all, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Taiyo signing off.